The recipe we have chosen is a mushroom risotto, typical of Italy. The first thing we have to do is turn on the heat, put a little oil in the pan, and cut the mushrooms into small pieces. The next step is to put the mushrooms in the pan and stir them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we put them in a Tupperware to use them later. Now we're going to put the chopped onion in the pan and a little salt, and stir for 5 minutes as well. Now we're going to fill a glass with white wine and then use it. The next step is to put the bomba rice in the pan with the onion that was already there. Then we pour the glass of wine and stir until we see that the wine has been consumed. In a separate saucepan, add the chicken and vegetable broth. When the broth is boiling, pour a little into the pan until it covers the rice and stir. Now we put the mushrooms that we have in the Tupperware and we're going to mix them with the rice.
The next step is to pour broth into the rice while stirring until there is no broth left in the saucepan. Now we grate the Parmesan cheese. We proceed to pour the butter into the rice and stir with enveloping movements until it melts. Now we put the Parmesan cheese in the rice and mix it. Finally, let the rice rest for 1 minute.